Here with Dan Dwyer from Eastern Rural Dalby. How was the Dalby cattle sale today, Dan?
Thanks, Sambo. Today's sale's been pretty solid all round. We yarded 4,589 head, up 1,064 on last week. With recent rain around the area, it's spiked interest and the market was firm. Now for the quotes.
Bullock 600 kg plus, 400 to 444 to average 430 firm. Heavy feeder steers 420 to 486 to average 448, back 20. Heavy feeder heifers 4 to 500 kg, 360 to 468 to average 451, up 80. Heavy cows 520 kg plus, 328 to 420 to average 391, up 14. Medium cows 240 to 370 to average 346, back 12. Store cows 180 to 250 to average 220, back 20. Heavy bulls 286 to 448 to average 405, up 57. Light bulls 282 to 448 to average 385, up 27. Yearling feeder steers 3 to 400 kg, 280 to 508 to average 470, firm on last week. Yearling feeder heifer 3 to 400, 372 to 468 to average 437, up 8 cents. Weaner steers 200 to 280 kg, 308 to 546 to average 494, up 5. Weaner heifers 200 to 280 kg, 260 to 468 to average 412, up 20. Cows and calves got to a top of 1920.
This has been Dan Dwyer with this week's Dalby Market Report. Next week, Eastern Rural will be selling in 6 positions, so get your bookings in nice and early. Thank you.